Welcome back to the garage. For today's project, we'll be installing a diamond plate kit on our EZGO RXV. The diamond plate kit includes 2 rocker panels, front bumper, kick plate, access panel, and the rear bumper. The diamond plate floor panel kit is sold separately and consists of 2 pieces seen here. These are the tools we'll be using in today's installation. The first step of the installation is to remove the front bumper. Remove the nut located at the top corner of the bumper using a ratchet and 15mm socket. Now, do the same for the other side. Be sure not to remove the bolt holding your shocks to the shock mounts, otherwise your suspension will drop. Remove the front bumper. Using the original hardware, install your new diamond plate front bumper over the same bolts as the old one. You'll want to hand tighten each side first. Then, go back and fully secure using your wrench and socket. Remove the 3 bolts located here, here, and here to remove the rocker panel. You'll need a T45 Torx bit to do so. Once completed, move on to the other side and repeat the process. At this time, go ahead and remove the front seat cushion. Let's go ahead and loosen up the body of the cart so we can slip the diamond plate underneath it for a snug, clean fit. Loosen the 2 bolts seen here and here using the same T45 Torx bit. Using a screwdriver, pry the body of the cart upwards approximately 1/8 of an inch, then retighten the bolts to hold it in place. Now, loosen the bolts on the top of the body like so, again using the same T45 Torx bit. Now, loosen up the same bolts on the other side of the cart. Don't forget to loosen, lift, and retighten the bolts at the bottom. If you have a rear flip seat installed, you'll need to loosen up any bolts connected to the body of the cart. If you don't have a rear flip seat installed, simply ignore this segment of the video. Now that the entire body of the cart has been lifted approximately 1/8 of an inch, slip the rear bumper underneath the body. Next, using a 3/32 bit, pilot drill 4 holes through the existing holes on the bumper into the body of the cart. Now, with 4 screws, secure the bumper to the body. Begin by tightening the screws in the center and work outwards. Now, remove the 2 bolts located here and here to remove the upper rocker panel. Now repeat this process on the other side. Begin by cutting out the factory rubber floor mat using a utility knife. Be sure not to cut the wires behind the accelerator and brake pedals. Now, lift the factory floor mat up and over the pedals and remove the rubber boot around the accelerator pedal. Now, let's place the upper floor panel behind the pedals like so. Place the rubber boot back over the accelerator and secure using Christmas trees. Next, we'll place the diamond plate floor panel by aligning the floor panel with the pedal cutouts. Now, slide the edge of the plate beneath the body of the cart. With the floor panel in place, we can now reinstall the upper rocker panels, secure using the original hardware. Next, place your new diamond plate rocker panel. It should rest on top of the upper rocker panel, on top of the diamond plate floor, and underneath the body of the cart. Using the original hardware, secure the rocker panel to the cart. Hand tighten all 3 bolts, then go back and fully tighten using your T45 Torx bit. Let's even things up and repeat this process on the other side. At this time, we can go ahead and secure all of the bolts we had loosened up in order to lift the body of the cart. Remember, if you have a flip seat installed, you'll need to tighten any bolts that you may have loosened on that as well. Place the seat back onto the cart. All we have left to install is our kick plate. Position the kick plate approximately 1 inch above the bottom of the body. Hold in place using tape. Using a Sharpie, mark the drill locations through the 8 holes on the kick plate. Once marked, grab a drill and pilot drill a hole at each mark using the same 3/32 bit as before. Be sure not to drill too far or you'll risk damaging electronics or wiring on the other side of the body. Now you can secure the kick plate to the body using the screws supplied in your kit. Remove the tape and you're ready to roll, in style. And that completes the installation of our diamond plate kit for EZGO RXVs. We hope you enjoyed this installation video, and as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.